Okay, we're on part two of our 7-part series of budgeting with family. If you didn't see the first one, go ahead and click the link right here or the link in the description box to watch the first one. And if you did, we'll get ready for part two. Thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell. I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. So right now we're going to get into the second part of our 7-part series about budgeting with a family or budgeting with children. So like I said in the last video, mainly I wanted to do this series for people that are parents or people that maybe your income is a little bit lower than what you want it to be. And people are talking about budget, but they're not giving you like really the meat and potatoes of how to budget effectively when you have children, when you have dogs or pets, when you have a husband, when you have all these things going on, and maybe your income is a little bit lower than you would really like it to be. So what we're doing with this 7-part series is going in depth with ways that you can start your budget, and even depending on, it doesn't matter what income you're on, we're gonna start your budget. Okay, so now that you have your income and your expenses all written out, and remember the income is where you get your money from, or how much money comes into your home or into your family's budget. So that could be from a job, child support, loans, whatever, stipends, pensions, social security, whatever it is, whatever income comes into your household, that's your income. Next, the expenses are whatever you spend, whatever goes out of your home, your bills, your anything that goes out of your home that you spend. Now, sorry if you hear my dogs. Now we're going to talk about separating those expenses into essential and non-essential. So when I say essential, these are the things that are very important that you have to pay. These are necessities in your budget. So that would be, of course, your rent, mortgage, your electric bill, your water, your cell phone, because a lot of people, that's the only phone service that they have. Some people have to have internet for, especially if you're working from home, you need the internet set up. And you have a car payment, you need your car to get back and forth, you need car insurance, medical insurance, dental insurance. Things of those nature are those essential expenses. Those are the things that you have to pay. They need to be paid. In addition, other essential expenses that maybe you don't think of, groceries. Those are essentials, right? You guys have to eat. Dog food or pet food or whatever. If you have pets, that's essential. You have to feed them. Other things that might be essential in some people's lives are daycare. Some people have to go to work outside of their homes. They need someone, or even inside your home, you need someone to take care of your child. That is essential. So you put that all in one list of, these are all of the things that have to be paid every single month, and total all that up. Now, the non-essentials are things like your nails. That's not an essential. Your hair, getting your hair done. That's not essential. A massage, a pedicure. I'm trying to think of baseball games. Things like that. Even clothes are not really essential unless you've gotten too big or too small, or a child has grown out of shoes and things of that nature. That stuff is not essential. So those are non-essential. Even, I'm sorry, I know I love my coffee too, but even coffee is non-essential. It might be essential for some people. Maybe they think because it's like, this is what's going to get me through the day, but it's not really an essential item. So once you have those things separated out, you can start looking at what you can carve out of your budget. So out of the expenses part of your budget, you can see, okay, maybe I don't need to have this every month, or maybe I don't need to get this done. Maybe I can get my nails done once a month instead of every 2 weeks, or maybe I can get my hair done every other month instead of every month. And as you shave down those things, you can definitely decide, okay, I want to put it back or I want to take it out. Another thing that a lot of people pay that they feel is essential but might not be is like those subscriptions, Hulu, Netflix, all these types of companies that you pay a monthly fee to have their streaming services. Those are not essential. Honestly, you can watch a lot of those things here on YouTube. So, you have to figure out what is a priority to you and what is not. You have to figure out what do you have to pay and what don't you have to pay. And then once you figure those two things out, like I said, you're going to take your budget and then you're going to start shaving certain expenses off. And when you take those expenses off, that stuff will be part of the money that's left over for you to use for your goal that you set. So I hope that today has helped you. If you have any questions or anything, make sure that you put those in the comments below. I will definitely respond. I just want you guys to be able to get everything together and know that you can do this. You make enough money. A lot of people are like, I don't make enough money. You make enough. You just need to spend less. So let's get your budget together. Let's make sure that you are on the right path to accomplish all of your goals. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that you subscribe to the Financial Spotlight family so you can keep on seeing these videos, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I post every single week here at the Financial Spotlight. Thank you for joining me. Have a good one. Bye.